What is going on, guys? Vortex here, and today I'm gonna be putting the Vortex generator on top of the roof right here where it goes. It looks super nice, but give me a second. First, you got step one. You gotta clean this joint. So how you clean this joint is actually I don't have that much time to clean it, so I'm just gonna grab some water and it's sponsored by Aquafina, whatever that cup is. But yeah. So as you can see right here, my messy trunk. You can see the actual Vortex generator right here. Super hot and sexy. Look at it. It's gonna look super nice on my roof. And let's get this baby clean. Let's get the roof clean first. And yeah. So, alright. Once we got this joint, we should be able to clean it, but I left the paper towels inside the trunk. Let's open the trunk real quick. First you wanna wet it real quick. You gotta wet it first, back up a little bit. Clean it, make sure you spray a little water. Make sure you save a little water because you're gonna clean it and then you wipe it and then you're gonna wet it again. I'm doing this before my father gets home because I don't want him to see me putting it on. So, alright. Okay, my paper towels is, I probably lost them. Here we go. Alright. So, you clean this joint, step one, right? You see how much black stuff there is? It's disgusting. I haven't washed my car since like forever. Make sure you get it from here. Cause look at this. What the heck is that? Alright. It's gonna go all the way over here, so make sure it's clean. And this one, you're gonna polish it so I can polish it all up. I was so gay, but whatever. Alright. Keep it clean. Let's keep it clean. Get the antenna good. Oh, that was not good. Look at this. Really? Okay, now where's the water bottle? Here we go. Okay, and the last one. I'm gonna spray it again. Okay, finish with that. Throw it in the trunk again. And now let's polish it all up. Oh, that's not good. Clean it up. And now we polish it up. Get all the crap out. How's it looking? Do you clean it? Mm-hmm. Alright, let me go to the other side. Jump. See, now it's brown, that's good. So I keep scratching my car with my belt. I just got back from the meeting, so that's fine. Alright. Please. Do that? Oh crap, yeah, correct me. Alright, so once that joint's done, let's go to step number 2. Step number 2 is going to be getting it out.
Is there like glue on it?
It's actually a 3M tape. And it's just tape. That's just the brand of the tape. And so the generator is going to go over here. And my assistant's going to have to hold it on the other side. And you put it on like this. And it's just tape. That's just the brand of the tape. And so the generator is going to go over here. And my assistant's going to have to hold it on the other side. And you put it on like this. Isn't it cool? What do you think?
It's stuck right now?
Huh?
That's it?
No, it's not. I gotta remove the tape, of course.
It looks like it won't move. Like, I mean, look. It's like,
no, but
actually it does, never mind.
remove the tape and then that's how it works. For now, this is how it's for now. But let's go ahead and take all the tape out right now. So step number 2 is to remove the tape.
It's really hot out here.
So remove the tape. Might take a little while. Of course, my editor's gonna speed this up. So. The installation takes like 5 minutes maybe, probably because how slow I am. I want to take over 6 minutes maybe. It's already been 4 minutes. Installation's really easy. You want help with the sticker? Yeah, go ahead. Just don't. Actually, I got it. You can remove the glue, dude. Oh, you can remove that one. Make sure you wash the car real good, like I did right there. Show them how clean it looks from the other one. You can obviously see the line, how it's dirty on the other one. The filth line. Huh? The filth line. Ugh. We want to pick this up. Back here. I'm trying to grab it to the dad. He's not gonna get busted. He's just gonna get mad because I bought. This was $48 and like 5 for shipping, so it was like 50 something. Not that bad for a Vortex generator. It's actually a cheap Vortex generator. What does it do? It actually makes. First of all, it makes your car look good. Second of all, it makes the wind go lower and go straight into your spoiler, which is really good. Let's forget about that one. See how Brian does this. You want to peel it off real quick?
Look at that high quality camera. There's the big one.
And you can actually do this with any Lancer models. But it has to be a Lancer from 2008 to, hope it's not dead. There's one, there's a car coming. I can hear a car coming too, but I can hurry up. Same sticker, Brian, couldn't get out. I'm trying again. Use those nails. I haven't cut my nails in a while. Okay, crap. I thought if it's damaged, throw this underneath the car. Oh, dude, yeah, sorry, it's nothing. Alright, there you go. Finally?
Almost done. I got a couple more, but can you help me dig?
Just don't take a sticker. Just peel off the little tip. Which one I do that, man? Yeah. It's really hard to hold the camera to this. Yeah, do that. Hold that one up. Okay, pretty hard. What's nice? Alright, let's try. So again. You have to notice it when it's on the car? Probably. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Here's all the little pieces. This is a good jump, Biggie. Alright, yo. So this thing does come with
a little thingy that you're supposed to put it on first, but screw that. Like, what the freak? Need that be on the side of the system, please? Don't let it touch the car yet. Don't let it touch the car. You got it. B, let it go. Let it go. And you replace it, please. Yeah. Pick it up from your end.
Pick it up from your end. From here. From the fin. From the fin. Yeah, hold it from here. Don't I gotta place it. Make sure it's like... Don't move it, wait. Don't move it. You already got it glued on. I want to make sure it's straight. Put the camera down for a second. Turn it on.
Okay guys, this is the finished product. I actually am afraid of it flying off. So you can see I tipped it here. It's just for now. Until I actually, it actually finished gluing because I just glued it on. You can see right here, it's not gluing right here. But it should be gluing pretty soon. We actually did this in a rush, so I'm pretty sure I should have washed it more. If it flies off, so be it. It's $50, just thrown like that. But
literally,
but I mean, I will go back and get it, and then probably drill it again if I find it. If it flies off, but I mean, it's pretty strong. I don't think it's gonna fly off. In the middle, I don't know if it's glued in the middle. The stupid antenna's on the way, but I think it's pretty good.
looks nice.
Oh, that wasn't good. But yeah, y'all. And if I do feel like it's moving, I probably might drill it one right in the middle. So
A screw?
yeah, one screw in the middle, like a small drill, like a small one.
Then it's gonna go through your roof. And what if you take it out?
It's gonna be a small one, and so what? I take it off. It's gonna be like right in front of the antenna, so it won't be not like that noticeable. And so when if we take it off, we just drill it back in, and it's just gonna be the middle.
All right. Cool.
But for now, I take this for now, so I can stay glued. Hopefully, it actually glues once I take it off. That's the modification I did for now. And I guess we're one step closer to making it look like an Evo.
All right.
All right, the next thing I'm gonna do. You know how this car looks crappy as heck? Like you see how it looks like just matte, like not good. I actually bought right here. That's gonna go like this. It's gonna be glossy black. It's gonna look nice. Once I get my windows tinted and actually get window visors, it's gonna look tight. You think it's gonna look nice with window visors?
No, but I like the little pillar thing, but the window visor thing is gonna look gay.
No, it's actually I'm gonna get the window visors. It's gonna go here. It's gonna go up to here, and then over here up to here, and then this is gonna be glossy black as well. And then I'm gonna try to tip my windows 35% because that's what's permitted in Virginia. Just like my sister's car. Yeah, I think this is 35% dark or 25% dark.
That's pretty. It's pretty
Not
good.
sure, but it's pretty dark. But yeah, guys, that's all the modifications for now for my Lancer GTS 2008. And if you have any questions, just comment down. And if you still have a question about did it fly off,
Make an update video.
I'm gonna probably might update it without it because it could have flown off. But if I do feel like it's gonna fly off, I'm gonna tell my dad to just drill it over right through the middle. But thank you all for watching, guys. And that's it for this episode. And have a good